Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan with a 2.0 TSI motor. This TSI motor has a water pump and thermostat housing that is located right here on the side of the motor. I have removed the air box to be able to get us access into here. But it's driven by a little belt that is behind that cover right there. And so to gain access, you'll maybe need to remove a few other screws over here that are holding some electric components on it. And then there's one T30 here and one T30 at the bottom. And then you'll be able to pull this cover up and out. And that way you can visually check to see if it's just if your belt has gone bad and your engine overheats because your water pump's not spinning. Now, if the belt is intact and you're able to check it, that it moves when you start the engine and turn the engine, then you'll need to be looking into replacing the whole water pump because the fins and stuff might have worn out and the gears inside. There's the belt that you're looking at. It's a small belt and it goes down to one other small sprocket on the bottom that is driven by when the engine is driving. And so that's maybe something that you would want to look if your engine all of a sudden starts to overheat and you want to check there before maybe replacing a thermostat, or if you know your thermostat's working. So that's the belt that you may want to take a look at before you go through all of your other mechanical repairs. And if you're replacing the thermostat, you may look into just replacing the whole water pump housing and everything all at the same time. It will save you some time and headache. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.